Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use the golden ratio grid in photography. Let's dive into understanding this powerful compositional tool. The golden ratio, often expressed as 1 to 0.618, is a mathematical concept found throughout nature and art. It helps create visually appealing compositions by guiding where you place your subjects. Mastering this ratio can significantly enhance the impact and balance of your photographs, making them more engaging for viewers. While similar to the rule of thirds, the golden ratio grid offers a slightly different approach. The rule of thirds divides your frame into 3 equal sections, both horizontally and vertically. In contrast, the golden ratio grid uses a ratio of 1 to 0.618 to 1 for its divisions. This subtle difference often leads to more dynamic and less symmetrical compositions, guiding the eye through the image in a unique way. To effectively use the golden ratio grid, imagine it overlaid on your scene. Position your main subjects at the intersection points of the grid lines to create strong focal points. You can also align important elements, like horizons or leading lines, along these grid lines for a sense of harmony and balance. Additionally, consider the golden spiral, which naturally draws the viewer's eye through the photograph, enhancing narrative flow. To truly master the golden ratio, consistent practice is key. Try applying the grid to various subjects, from landscapes to portraits, to internalize its principles. Keep an eye out for natural golden ratio patterns in your everyday environment. You'll be surprised how often they appear. Don't be afraid to experiment with different compositions and break the rules once you understand them. This will help you develop your unique photographic style.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.